Hey there everybody, Philip here from CGBrush. In this animation tutor FPS series, you're going to be learning how to create your own FPS animations. And in today's installment, you're going to learn how to create a really cool and simple idle animation for a FPS weapon. If you're excited for this content and you would like to get started right away, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video as it helps the channel grow, and of course head to our Discord server. Then head to our resources channel where you can get the resources that you need to follow along with this tutorial. But with that said, good luck and have fun. Okay, so thanks for joining the Discord server. To get started, you need the resource files. Head over to the research channel, click on the FPS Blender source files and download it. After you have done that, go to the folder where you want to extract it, extract the files, and then go into the FPS Blender source files, go into examples and open up the first person example. Okay, so now that we are in the Blender source files, there's a few things I would like you to know first. First of all, on the left side, we can set our keyframes and work with our animation. In the bottom side, we have our action editor. We can use that to smooth out our animation. On the right top side, we can view our animation from the camera view. And in the right button, you can see our animation workspace where we can start animating. Okay, so inside of our action editor, let's head over to frame 25. Click on the bottom right on this little circle that says auto keying. If you go to the animation workspace and then press Ctrl space to make it full screen. A few things to know beforehand before we can start animating is you need to learn the controls that I'm using while working in the scene. First of all, to rotate around the object, I hold the middle mouse button. If I want to move certain places, let's say up, down, or pen in any way, I hold shift and hold the middle mouse button to move up, down, right, left, and in any way I want. I can use Alt to select the scene view this way, which can be really useful. Now, let's position ourselves on the X-axis, and you can click here on the X as well to get that X view, and make sure you have the thumb on the left side. Click on the weapon to move it down a little bit, press R to rotate it down, and we can see that we somewhat have a animation going on. So let's go make a couple adjustments. Ctrl space, and let's make this view on the top a little bit bigger so that we can see what is going on. I want to copy all the keys on the left side. I can do that by clicking on the top one, pressing Ctrl C, going to frame 50 and pressing Ctrl V. Let's go into our camera animation overview. Press Ctrl space and let's press space to view our idle animation. And as easy as that, we have created our own idle animation. And well, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget that if you have just been watching along and you really enjoyed the content, to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with what you would like to see in the next tutorial. We will be focusing on a walk animation, but what would you like to see in that animation? Also, if you would like to rewatch the video and follow along yourself, then head over to our Discord server, to the resources channel, and download those juicy resources. But with that said, thanks for watching and hopefully I see you in the next video.